Good evening, I'm Nate Belt. Julia Dragus will be back at 11 tonight. But first we begin with big news out of the health world today.
This is truly game-changing in a lot of ways.
Over-the-counter birth control pill was approved by the FDA. 13 on Your Side's health reporter Elena Holland spoke to the experts. Elena, go ahead and tell us about this.
Well, hey, Nate, so Perrigo, which is headquartered right here in Grand Rapids, is approved for their FDA approval for their over-the-counter birth control pill. Now, this is something that could have a major impact on the healthcare industry as far as access to contraception. So over-the-counter, that means you can go into a drugstore or a drugstore or grocery store and be able to obtain this pill. It's a highly effective method of birth control, and soon you'll find it everywhere. According to a doctor I spoke with today, a progesterone-only pill, that's what this is, has fewer side effects and generally is a very safe method of birth control.
I just had a patient or a couple patients this morning that they needed a refill of their birth control, and they're like, well, you haven't been seen in over a year, so we need to have you be seen in the office. I'm like, honestly, I don't want to hold people hostage for getting a birth control pill refill. I'd rather them have protection than to have a surprise.
Don't have an exact price point for this yet when it does hit the shelves, but they're trying to keep the cost down so they can have that access to the health care, to the birth control that they're looking for. As of right now, their goal is to have this onto store shelves, hit the market by the beginning of next year. For now, reporting live in Grand Rapids, Elena Holland, 13 on Your Side.